Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Muhammad Ehsan Chattha, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, Government Degree College Chichavatne. Dear student of the first year, let us start the article of chapter 10 Electrochemistry, lead accumulator. Student, lead accumulators is also known as car battery. Batteries are generally are classified into two categories. Number one, they are known as primary battery. The batteries which are not chargeable, they are known as primary, and which are we charge again many times, they are known as secondary. And lead accumulator, a lead acid battery, also known as car battery or secondary battery. The various parts of this car battery or lead acid battery are given here, which convert the chemical energy into electrical energies in various in lead acid batteries. Half reaction, there are number of 6 half reaction which are connected, 6 anode and 6 cathode connected in series. Each produce 2 voltage and total voltage of 12 voltage. The main part of the number 1 container of the battery is normally made of the glass lined with wood, ebonite, hard rubber, and ceramic material, yeah, or molded plastic. All these are seated at the top to avoid the discharge of electrolyte. At the bottom of the containers, there are the four ribs, two toward the positive plate and two support the negative plate. The prism serve as support for the plate, at the same time protect them from the short circuit. The material of the battery are placed in the containers which is resistant to the sulfuric acid. These material, these are resistant to electrolyte, which is the sulfuric acid. Important plant which have a part second is plate. Plate are the positive plate of lead, while it acts as an anode, while negative plate is of lead dioxide PbO2. The plate they disperse electric current, they act as an active material as shown in diagram. The 6 black color plate are of lead and gray plate connected in series are of PbO2. Grid are made up of the alloy of the lead and antimony. They are usually made with the transverse ribs that crosses the plate at right angle or diagonally. The red grid for the positive and negative plate are of the same design, but the negative plate are made in lighter weight while as compared with positive plate. Dear student, let us know the active material. Active materials means the material which take part in the chemical reaction, change the chemical uh, energy into electrical energy, and during charging and discharging various reactions taking place. The active material is first is lead peroxide PbO2. It forms the positive active material. Lead peroxide is of dark chocolate brown in color. Sponge lead. Sponge lead is a negative active material. It is gray in colors. It is generally form anode. Dilute sulfuric acid, it is used 31% sulfuric acid. Separated between the two electrodes. Separated are the sheets of non-conducting material, chemical treated with lead wood, porous rubber, mat of the glass fiber placed between the positive and negative insulate them from each other. Dear student, the separated are vertically placed side by side. Battery terminal, important battery terminal. One is the positive terminal and other is negative terminal. Positive terminal generally is of small or larger size, about 17.5 millimeter, while negative terminal of the 16 millimeter in diameter. Working of the lead acid battery: when sulfuric acid dissolve, its molecule break into the two hydrogen ion and one sulfate ion and move freely. If two electrodes are immersed in the solution and connected to direct current, then the hydrogen ion, being positively charged, move toward the electrode and connected to the negative terminal of the supply, and sulfate ion, negatively charged, move toward the positive terminal of the battery anode, where each hydrogen ion takes one electron from the cathode and sulfate ions takes two negative ions from anode and react with water to form sulfuric and hydrogen acid. The oxygen which produced from the above equation react with lead oxide, form lead peroxide (PbO2). Thus, during charging, the lead cathode remains as lead, but lead anode get converted into lead peroxide, chocolate in color. If direct current supply is disconnected, then connected to the voltmeter, voltmeter show the current, which is chemical energy changed to the electrical energy again. Discharging reaction: when the cell is fully discharged, then the anode is of lead peroxide and cathode is metallic sponge lead. When electrodes are connected through a resistant, the cell discharge and electron flow in diagram in opposite side. Hydrogen ion move to the anode and receive one electron from anode, become hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom come into contact with PbO2, so it attack and form lead sulfate, whitish in color, and water is produced in this chemical equation as given in chemical equation. And each sulfate ion move toward the cathode and give up two electrons and attack the metallic lead to form lead sulfate, whitish in color according to chemical reaction. During recharging, the chemical reaction are reversed. The molecule of sulfuric acid break up into two hydrogen ion and one sulfate ion. The hydrogen ion, being positively charged, move toward the cathode and receive two electrons from there to form hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom react with lead sulfate cathode, forming lead and sulfuric acid according to chemical equation. Again, sulfate ion move toward the anode, give up two additional electrons, become radical sulfate, react with lead sulfate anode and form lead peroxide and lead sulfuric acid according to chemical equation. Lead sulfate plus two hydrogen ion converted to sulfuric acid along with sponge lead. The charging and discharging are represented by the single action as here. This is all about the lead accumulator. Thank you, student. Allah Hafiz. See you next time. This is